Hello my lovelies. We're learning 2 more rules today that are all to do with suffixes. And we're going to carry on thinking about the same 2 suffixes, ed and ing. Can you remember how they change the word? Normally they're added to verbs. Ed changes the verb to mean something that happened in the past, or the past tense. Ing changes the word to mean it's something you're doing now. We're going to think about words that end in e, specifically verbs that end in e. Here's my first one, like. It ends in an e. Lots of these words will have split digraphs in, like this one here, like. When a verb ends in e, we can't just add the ending. Otherwise it turns into liquid. I don't think I've heard of that word before. So we do something special. Before we can add the suffix, we need to chop off the e. No more need for that. And then we add the ed. Liked. Let's try another one. Here I've got the word hope. It's got an e on the end again. If I want to turn it into hoped, I need to chop off the e and then add the ed. Hoped. I've got 2 more words here. Smile, and hike. Both of my verbs end in e. And you know what that means. Chop off the e and add the ending. Smiled. Let's do the same for hike. Chop off the e and add ing. Hiking. Notice that we normally keep the I sound as though it is a split digraph, rather than say hicking or smilled. Our other rule today is all about words that end in e, like this one here, carry. When we add the ed on the end, to make it the past tense, we can't keep that e there. So instead, we wave our magic fingers and we swap the e for an I. Then we can add the ed on the end to make carried. Let's try it with another one. Here I've got the word hurry. It ends in an e again, so we can't add the y until we've waved our magic finger and swapped the y for an I. Then we can add the ed. Hurried. Here's another word. This one is try. The e on the end makes an I sound, but the rule is still the same. We need to wave our magic finger, swap the y for an I, and then we can add ed on the end. This rule has another little rule. We change the y to an I every time there's a suffix, except when we add ing, because there are only 1 or 2 words in English that have 2 is next to each other. This is not correct. If you want to add ing to the end of a word that ends in a y, you just stick it on. Carrying. Here is hurry. If I wanted to change it to hurrying, like I am hurrying to catch a dragon, all I need to do is stick the ing on the end there. Now I've got try. All I need to do is stick ing on the end. I am trying to catch a dragon. Good luck with your lesson today.